There are countless amounts of objects, people, and places present in the world, and with all of this existing around us, how is it that we are able to remember what everything is? Cognitive science suggests that our brain categorizes similar concepts as a way to define them, and prototype theory is the idea that some of these concepts are more central in their certain categories than others. So instead of understanding concepts on a definition basis, we visually define it through imagining the central prototype example that relates to or falls into a term's category. The idea of prototype theory was formulated by Professor Eleanor Roche of the University of California and other experts in the 1970s. Let's apply this idea to the topic of Halloween. When thinking of this, different concepts will come to mind for everyone based on whatever is more central to that person. Someone might think of their favorite aspect, like jack-o'-lanterns, while others think of the scary movie they saw last night, or the Halloween party they might have been planning all week. The prototype concept depends solely on the individual. Take these two characters, for example. When asked about chocolate, one thinks of his favorite chocolate bar, while the other thinks about the chocolate milk he had with breakfast. This unconscious process is something present in all cultures, and as our pop culture, technology, and life circumstances change, so will our prototypes.
Let's talk about exemplars, which are the basis for the exemplification theory. Exemplars are examples, instances of something in the mind or a member of a category. Let's take the example of Jill asking Billy about sports that require a ball. Whenever Billy answers, his ideas come from the clouds or categories in his mind that show how we perceive and categorize the world around us based on the influential connecting things in our life. Based on what he's been exposed to, Billy will probably answer with football, soccer, basketball, baseball, and volleyball. But then there is also lacrosse, softball, water polo, tennis, and golf.
These clouds are constantly updating as we experience and are influenced by more, much like the iPhone. Due to these updates, a child at 2 could see a ball as a chew toy, 6-year-olds, 8's T-balls, 10-year-olds, I'm part of Little League, and 14, an athlete.
The first 5 came to Billy's mind because they are prototypical to him. Prototypical comes from the prototype theory, where some ideas can be more central than others. They're the first thing you go to, like a cup of coffee in the morning. The final key to this theory is how concrete examples like first-hand experiences will be more powerful than abstract ones like statistics, and will not decay like most memory traces. So here it is, the exemplification theory made up of exemplars, clouds, prototypical ideas, and the power of concrete examples.